Hey, Bob Phillips here in Colorado. We get a lot of questions on Bead Maker, and one of the things that we get questions on is the proper application of Bead Maker to form a protective layer on the paint. So you can see we've already done paint correction on half the hood here, and one of the things that most detailers do is they tend to treat Bead Maker like a mist and wipe, and they spray on just a light mist. Well, remember, we're trying to put a layer of protection on the painted surface of the vehicle. So really what we want to do is apply enough Bead Maker on the paint until it beads, hence the name. Put an aggressive amount on there. Then come back with your Insanity microfiber towel, wipe around a nice even coat of product, get it all the way around the area of the treat, then flip the towel and then polish it to a bright finish. That's the proper technique to use Bead Maker.